Okay then guys, a little intro for this little section on polar coordinates. This is just a gentle introduction to the subject before we go into sketching and evaluation of polar areas. Here's the frame of reference then. You go just a horizontal line here, we'll call that the x-axis if we want. And then the rotation here is in the positive direction, the anti-clockwise. So you can go around any amount of radians, of course, so we use radians as units. So one full circle would be 2 pi. And then go around twice would be 4 pi, of course. But you can also go in the clockwise direction from 0 around in the negative direction. So here that would be minus pi over 2 down here as an angle around to there. But you could also get to that same angle by going around this way, couldn't you? And that would correspond to 3 pi over 2. So there's our rotational aspect to the positioning of the point P. So that would be the theta angle. And we've got r and theta in here. And then you've got the radius, of course, which is the distance from the origin. And the origin is here. So you take out distance r, radius, and the angle theta, and you get the point P r theta. So that's how we have our frame of reference for polar coordinates then. So we can flip from polar to Cartesian or vice versa, from Cartesian to polar. And here's the formulae that we can use to transfer from one to the other. So here's the triangle with r and theta put in, and then we've superimposed an xy axis. So we can clearly see that the x value here for the point P would be r cos theta. The y value would be r sin theta. That's just applying simple trig rules, Pythag rules. So x is r cos, y is r sin, or we can use Pythag here for the right angle triangle and get the longest side, r squared, is the sum of the other two sides squared, the x squared plus y squared. And the tan of the angle is this over that, which will result in the r's cancelling, and we end up with sine over cos being tan. So tan theta is y over x. So we can go from one to the other. And so there's some examples, simple questions in this section on that particular topic area, just to get us comfortable with flipping from one set of coordinates and frame of reference to the other, and vice versa. So I hope you're getting okay with this section, and any problems, just send us an email, give us a buzz, and it'd be nice to hear from you. Cheers then.